Have you ever wondered how an AI actually thinks when solving a complex problem? Welcome back to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research. Today, we're looking at a fascinating paper that tackles a major issue with AI reasoning. They often get stuck in a rut, following one line of thought even if it's wrong. This is like trying to solve a maze by only ever turning right. Researchers developed a method to teach language models how to discover different strategies, or abstractions, to solve problems more effectively. Think of these abstractions as high-level hints or game plans that guide the AI's reasoning. Their approach, called RLAD, uses a clever two-player system. First, an abstraction generator. AI looks at a problem and suggests a few different hints. Then, a second solution generator. AI takes the problem and one of those hints to try and find the answer. The hint generator gets rewarded if its hints actually help the solver succeed. And the results are impressive. On difficult math reasoning tests, this method consistently outperformed previous approaches. The AI that was trained to use these hints was not only better when given a hint, but it even got better at solving problems on its own. One of the most interesting findings is about how to best use computing power. The study shows it's more beneficial to generate a variety of different hints than to just generate more and more solutions following the same strategy. This proves that encouraging diverse thinking is more effective than just brute force effort. Here's a real example from the paper. The problem is a tricky math question, and the abstraction provides a concise strategy, like a cheat sheet, modeling the problem using exponent vectors. The solution then explicitly references this cheat sheet to guide its step-by-step reasoning. The researchers also confirmed that the AI solver genuinely follows the guidance it's given. And when given different hints, it produces solutions that are much more distinct from each other, showing it's truly exploring different paths. The types of hints the AI learned to generate are quite intuitive. Some are caution alerts warning against common mistakes, while others are structural shortcuts that find a clever way to bypass many steps. So, let's recap the big takeaways from this research. First, AIs can be trained to create their own high-level strategies for solving problems. Second, this cooperative 2AI system dramatically improves complex reasoning abilities. And third, promoting a breadth of strategies is more powerful than simply encouraging deeper, longer chains of thought. What does this mean for the future? This approach could pave the way for AIs that are not just powerful calculators, but more flexible and creative problem solvers. It's a step towards machines that can think outside the box and discover novel solutions to some of the world's toughest challenges.